It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Welcome back to Nana's Cooking and Craft Corner. And on this video, we're going to make this little chocolate Valentine decoration. It holds a bunch of chocolates, and on the back you have the secret little note you can attach, which is attached with glue dots. To start off, for the heart that I'm going to do on a cardboard, I'm going to take an 8.5 by 11 paper, and I'm going to go like this, and we're going to take it. Now you can do any size heart you want, but I chose to do a great big one. So the chocolate, but you can do a smaller one if you want. So, looks like that. Okay, I taped this onto cardboard using this as my template, cut it through, and it looks like this one. Okay, I took my piece of paper that I cut as a template, and I'm going to put it on cardboard. I used the tape to stick it on, cut it out, traced it, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to put a little bit of acrylic red paint here. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to start painting the whole heart all red. So we painted the heart all red, and that's done. And you're getting another piece of cardboard. And the size is going to be 5 inches by 4.5, and I scored it at a 1/2 inch up here. And another little piece that is 3 inches long, scored both sides at a 1/2 inch. And it's going to be scored here and bent one way and the other one the opposite way. So now we're going to put the glue and attach this on. I'm going to put some right across where I scored it at the 1/2 inch. Now I didn't quite measure this out, but you got to put it so that it stays like stiff like that. So we're going to go somewhere like in here, about halfway should do the trick. There. Now see, the reason I did this is because this will separate and fall down like that. So we're going to put this piece over here. Turn it around like this and go down here. And this is the support for it. Somewhere in there. Let's see, should do the trick. And it does. Perfect! Yay! Now it's the fun part. We're putting the chocolate on. Yay! Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of glue. Be careful though. If these are kids doing this, I don't want anybody to burn themselves. So I started out like this in the bottom actually. Right here. I'm going to have to turn it around a bit so you can't see it, but put it there. And then you just put a little bit of glue and we'll add the bow right here. Somewhere in there looks good. Now I'm going to take the original one I did and I'm going to show you the rest of this. I painted the stand in the back and I just used these glue dots and attached, it just comes off, attach the note here because then you won't wreck the card. And then you sign it and there's your little secret note. And thank you for watching this video, and happy Valentine's Day.